Greetings. Today, I will discuss why mitochondria are so important for energy and health. Mitochondria are often called the powerhouses of the cell, and for good reason. These tiny structures are responsible for converting the molecules from the food we eat into ATP, the energy currency of the body. Mitochondria produce about 95% of the body's total ATP, which is estimated to be equal to our body weight per day. Mitochondria's importance goes far beyond energy production. Mitochondria play vital roles in metabolism, cell repair, immunity, and even aging. Understanding how they work helps us see why maintaining healthy mitochondria is key to overall wellness. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and ARTC-Health. While he continues to research and explore new and better ways to help his patients achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals, I'm here to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Doc Max believes in using technology constructively to improve efficiency and results. That's why he uses this AI-generated avatar to educate and inform. Before we get into it, please leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way toward helping spread these health-related presentations to more people. Every cell in your body needs energy to perform its tasks, from pumping your heart to repairing tissues. This energy comes in the form of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, a molecule produced inside the mitochondria. Through a process called cellular respiration, mitochondria convert nutrients, mainly glucose and fatty acids, into ATP. Without sufficient mitochondrial function, cells can't generate enough energy, leading to fatigue, slower metabolism, reduced performance, and chronic disease. That's right, leading scientists in this field now believe that damaged mitochondria are the root cause of all chronic disease. Mitochondria do much more than make energy. They help regulate several critical functions, such as cell growth and repair. Mitochondria support the creation of new cells and the recycling of damaged ones. Detoxification. They help neutralize harmful free radicals and maintain a balance between oxidation and antioxidants. Hormone production. Mitochondria play a role in the synthesis of steroid hormones like estrogen and testosterone. Immune defense. Healthy mitochondria help the immune system recognize and respond to infections. When mitochondria become damaged, these essential systems can break down, increasing the risk of chronic disease. Research shows that mitochondrial function declines naturally with age. This decline can contribute to symptoms such as fatigue, muscle weakness, and brain fog. However, lifestyle factors like poor diet, lack of exercise, and chronic stress can speed up mitochondrial damage. Supporting mitochondrial health through good nutrition, regular movement, and quality sleep may help slow down aging at the cellular level. You can take several steps to keep your mitochondria strong and efficient. Eat nutrient-rich foods. Focus on foods high in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts. Nutrients like CoQ10, B vitamins, and magnesium support energy production. Exercise regularly. Physical activity, especially interval or resistance training, helps stimulate the creation of new mitochondria. Manage stress. Chronic stress increases oxidative damage, which can impair mitochondrial function. Practices like meditation and deep breathing can help. Prioritize sleep. During deep sleep, your body repairs cells and clears out mitochondrial waste products. Mitochondria are central to almost every process that keeps you alive and healthy. When they work well, you feel energetic, focused, and resilient. When they don't, fatigue, illness, and premature aging can follow. By nurturing your mitochondria through healthy habits, you're not just boosting your energy, you're protecting the very foundation of your long-term health. In short, mitochondria power your body's energy, drive essential cellular functions, and influence how you age. Taking care of them is one of the most effective ways to support vitality and wellness throughout life. Your mitochondria are the tiny engines inside your cells that produce energy for everything you do, from thinking and breathing to walking and digesting food. When they work efficiently, you feel energized and healthy. When they become sluggish or damaged, fatigue, brain fog, and poor recovery can follow. The good news is that your lifestyle, especially your diet and exercise habits, has a powerful impact on how well your mitochondria function. By making the right choices, you can help your body generate energy more effectively and protect your cells from long-term damage. Mitochondria create energy through a process called cellular respiration, which depends on nutrients and oxygen. but factors like poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, and inactivity can impair this process. Over time, mitochondria may produce less energy and more free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging. Supporting mitochondrial health helps improve energy production, endurance, and overall metabolic balance. A nutrient-dense diet is one of the most effective ways to nourish your mitochondria. Here are key nutrients and food sources to include: antioxidant-rich foods. Berries, green tea, dark chocolate, and leafy greens help neutralize free radicals that can harm mitochondria. Healthy fats. Mitochondria thrive on fats as a clean energy source. Include avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Protein and amino acids. Lean meats, eggs, beans, and lentils provide amino acids for cellular repair and enzyme production. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. Found in organ meats, fish, and whole grains, CoQ10 helps mitochondria produce energy more efficiently. B vitamins, especially B1, B2, B3, and B12. These are essential for converting food into energy. Sources include whole grains, eggs, dairy, and leafy greens. Magnesium and iron. Both minerals are vital for mitochondrial enzymes. Include spinach, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Limit processed foods and sugars. Excess sugar and refined carbs can overload mitochondria and increase oxidative stress. Physical activity is one of the most powerful ways to enhance mitochondrial health. When you exercise, your cells respond by creating new mitochondria and improving the efficiency of existing ones, a process known as mitochondrial biogenesis. Here's how different types of exercise help. Aerobic exercise. Cardio. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, and swimming increase oxygen use and stimulate mitochondrial growth in muscle cells. High-intensity interval training. HIIT. Short bursts of intense effort followed by rest periods challenge your energy systems and encourage mitochondrial adaptation. Strength training. Building muscle mass improves your metabolic rate and helps mitochondria function better in muscle tissues. Active recovery. Light movement such as stretching or yoga helps maintain blood flow and reduce inflammation that can harm mitochondria. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week, combined with 2 strength training sessions. In addition to diet and exercise, small daily habits can make a big difference. Get quality sleep. Deep sleep allows mitochondria to repair and regenerate. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol and oxidative stress, which can damage mitochondrial DNA. Avoid toxins. Limit exposure to pollutants, cigarette smoke, and excessive alcohol, which all impair mitochondrial function. Stay hydrated. Water helps maintain energy production and nutrient transport. Healthy mitochondria are the foundation of lasting energy, vitality, and well-being. By eating nutrient-rich foods, staying active, and caring for your body, you can strengthen these tiny power plants and help every cell in your body perform at its best. Supporting mitochondrial function isn't just about avoiding fatigue, it's about fueling your body for a longer, stronger, and healthier life. As always, reach out for more information about our health enhancement programs, including bioidentical hormone replacement and peptide therapy. Call 94180655511.